Off-road enthusiasts rejoice. Jeep has heard your demands and made the highly sought-after Xtreme 35 tire package standard equipment on the 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X in its two-door configuration. This move caters to those who crave ultimate off-road prowess in a compact and maneuverable package. Previously available only on select four-door Wrangler Unlimited trims, the Xtreme 35 tire package equips the Rubicon X with a set of aggressive features that elevate its capability to new heights. Let's delve deeper into what this package offers. The centerpiece of the Xtreme 35 tire package is undoubtedly the massive 35-inch BFGoodrich KO2 all-terrain tires. These knobby beasts provide exceptional traction on loose surfaces like rocks, mud, and sand. Their deep treads dig in for superior grip when navigating challenging inclines and declines. The KO2 tires are known for their durability, ensuring they can withstand the harshest off-road conditions. The Xtreme 35 tire package doesn't stop at just the tires. It also includes a 1.5-inch suspension lift. This extra ground clearance allows the Rubicon X to tackle obstacles with greater ease, reducing the risk of undercarriage damage. The increased ride height also improves approach, breakover, and departure angles, allowing the Wrangler to conquer steeper inclines, uneven terrain, and descents without scraping. While the larger tires and lift kit enhance capability, some might wonder if they affect handling. Jeep assures us that the lift has been meticulously engineered to maintain the Wrangler's legendary maneuverability. The two-door Rubicon X remains nimble and responsive, even on tight trails. The Xtreme 35 tire package includes 17-inch beadlock-ready wheels. Beadlock wheels offer an extra layer of security for off-road enthusiasts who push their vehicles to the limit. By allowing the tire to be clamped directly to the wheel, beadlock technology prevents the tire from separating from the rim even in low-pressure situations, ensuring you stay on track during extreme maneuvers. It's important to note that the Xtreme 35 tire package comes standard solely on the 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X with the 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. This engine provides ample power to handle the larger tires and conquer challenging terrain. While not standard equipment, the Xtreme 35 tire package can be added as an option to the two-door Wrangler Willys trim, albeit with a slight delay in availability. The 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X with the Xtreme 35 tire package boasts a starting MSRP of $62,295, plus destination fee. This represents a significant price jump compared to the base Rubicon X. However, for off-road purists who prioritize extreme capability and a factory-installed solution, the added cost might be a worthwhile investment. With the inclusion of the Xtreme 35 tire package, the 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X solidifies its position as the ultimate off-road champion in the two-door segment. The combination of larger tires, a lift kit, and beadlock-ready wheels empowers drivers to conquer even the most challenging terrains with confidence. While the price tag might be a hurdle for some, the unmatched capability it offers is sure to tempt serious off-road enthusiasts.